Oh, my body is so sore from working out. That actually hurt me a little bit. Damn, and they say working out is good for you. Where? Anyways, hello lovely people of the internet. How are you all doing today? I hope you're happy and your hair is healthy. Healthier than mine, at least. That would be very nice for you. In my last video, I dyed my hair this color. Look, I just don't really like it. I do like the vibe. I also am very proud of the gradient that I made all by myself with no help. I mean that looks pretty good, right? That is actually a very spicy gradient. But yeah, I'm just not really feeling the color combo, on me at least. I like the color combo. For me, it's just a little bit too intense. So today I'm gonna dye it again. I'm gonna try to keep the same thing going on with like different roots and then different ends, because I do like that vibe. But I'm just gonna see if I can change the color a little bit. Also, I want you all to know that my scalp is doing fine, because in my last video I had like the worst reaction to the bleach ever. It was actually horrible, but my scalp is fine. I like looked at it in the mirror, I took like photos of it, and there's literally, you can't see anything. Everything is completely fine. No blisters or rash or anything. My scalp is feeling fine, healthy, nothing going on. So do not worry about me and my head. I am stronger than you think I am. I like the way you kiss me. I can do it. Oh my god. My arms are so sore that I can't even move my desk. My desk isn't that heavy. It's just a regular desk. It's just a regular desk. Also, look at my painting. Do you love it? I made it myself. So, like I said, I am going for a different color today. I got multiple hair dyes. Well, I only got 2. I got the Adobe ones. I'm not like the biggest fan of these, because like all the other hair dyes make my hair feel like soft and nice. I'm pretty sure that this doesn't have like any conditioning like properties in it like other hair dyes do. I think it's just like the pigment. So every time I put this in my hair does feel dry. So, but I guess that's what hair masks are for, right? Yeah, I got the first one, which is lavender, which is going on my routage. Let's open it up. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. It looks dark, but let's just do a little swatcheroonie. That's the first one. So as you can see, it's literally lavender. And then for the ends, I got Burgundy Bliss. Wait, did I get burgundy? I thought I had... Isn't burgundy red as well? I thought I had eggplant. Oh god, I hope this is gonna be... Ooh. Oh my god, I'm literally so stupid. I'm so stupid. I thought I got the eggplant ones. I mean, I guess the packaging looks kind of eggplanty. But in the bottle, it just looks very much like my own hair color. I guess it's a little bit different. But that's... That still looks so bright. Wait, can I mix something else in there to make it darker? Probably. Color theory isn't my best subject, unfortunately. I am suddenly really loving my hair color right now, because that is literally what happens to me every single time I decide to change it. I get nervous and I don't want to do it, but I will do it anyways, because I'm already sitting here with my dyeing t-shirt and my dye. So we just gotta do it to them. Anyways, first I'm going to put the lavender on my roots. So let's just put that in the bowl first, shall we? I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. Oh, that looks like pure blue. Not only do I absolutely love the color all of a sudden, I also just really love how my hair is like the model of my hair right now. Look how nice and wavy. I'm just gonna dye it. I'm just gonna do it. Will I regret it? Maybe, but I can always dye it again. I mean, it's my favorite thing to do in the world anyway, so who cares if I have to do it 4 times in 1 week? I don't. Getting my lavender, make sure I actually put the right one in there, because imagine if I put the wrong one. Okay, Adore Creative Image Lavender number 90. Vegan, cruelty free. We love to see it. We love to see it, don't we, girls? Here we go. Does that literally look so much darker than I thought it was gonna be? That looks so much darker. Look how light it is on the packaging. Well, you just gotta keep going, I guess. Also, the thing with this hair dye, cause it doesn't have like any like conditioning stuff in it, it's also very hard to like spread over my hair. Cause my hair just literally soaks up the product like immediately. You know what I'm just gonna do? I'm just gonna add some conditioner to it. I feel like that's the best solution. Okay, this is looking a bit better. Yeah, this is so much better. I can actually spread the hair dye out now. And obviously that's also gonna make it a little bit less pigmented. But that's actually completely fine in this case, because I feel like it was getting a little bit too dark anyways. It is actually crazy, like the difference that just a little bit of conditioner made. Love that. I actually already love it so much more. I love it so much more. I feel like these two go really well together as well. Maybe, nah, I'm gonna still dye the ends, but that's still like a pretty cool color combo. I get a new mirror. Let's see if I can use this one. Whew. It's also a very dirty mirror. I know, I'm sorry. Jeez, look at that gradient. I don't know if you can hear that, but it honestly looks like my neighbors are having sex right now. That sounds crazy. Okay. This video just got age restricted. I should probably also take my rings off because my hair keeps getting stuck behind them and I'm like ripping out half of my hair. It's like I've never done this before, huh? Ah! Fat fingers. Now it's time for Burgundy Bliss. So we're just gonna put it in the same bowl and we're just once again going to add some conditioner with it. The last time I did this, I made like sections. This time, I'm just gonna raw dog it. Because I feel like I have enough experience now, you know? Does it does it look different or does it look exactly the same? Oh my god. I hate that I can't just do anything right. Like, why does it always have to go wrong with me? I swear to god, I'm not doing this on purpose, but this looks like the exact same color that it already was. I'm just gonna accept it for what it is, because apparently this is what God wanted for me, so. Oh, would you look at this? I know I still have to rinse it out and everything, and the color can completely change after washing it out, but I feel like I think I'm going in the right direction. Honestly, I'm already, oh god, how did I just almost fall off of my chair? Anyways, I feel like I already like this color combination way more. It's definitely more toned down. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair for 40 minutes and then we can go on to the next step. Boo, 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 boo. Also, my god, if I become white again. I really just almost completely lost my tan. I guess my arm is still tan, but my face, oh, I forgot how white I actually was. Hello. I bought these sunglasses, but I can't decide whether I like them or not. They're kind of a vibe, but also I wish they were silver. Anyways, hey, okay, this is the next day. I washed my hair out. This is what I got right now. Do I like it? I wish I wasn't this annoying. I'm so indecisive and also so specific with what I want and what I don't want that I'm also not really feeling this vibe. I definitely like the ends so much better now. Maybe you can't even see that much of a difference on camera, but it definitely, in my opinion, it's way better. The only thing is now the top. I don't know, it's not, it looks so patchy. Because my hair is just not bleached in the right way, and I feel like it kind of, the color just makes me look kind of gray. Does it look good from the back? I don't even know actually. Anyways, I'm not gonna dye it, okay? I'm just gonna leave it like this and accept it for what it is, because I'll probably love it like tomorrow. So leave it like this. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to match my extensions to my new hair color. Because yeah, I have a bag of hair over here, and I got these extensions. These used to match my hair perfectly, but obviously I dyed it now, so it's not, yeah, you can see it's a different color. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dye these babies so they match my hair and I can have long hair again. How I love it. How I love having long hair. So yeah, let's dye these bad boys. Hello, welcome to my living room. So the way I'm going to dye these extensions is the dipping method. And I've showed you guys this method before, but if you didn't see that, let me just explain to you. It is literally the easiest way ever to dye hair. Did I ever do it with the hair on my head though? I don't know. But this is like what a lot of people do when they like dye either extensions or wigs, because it's just so easy. Basically what you do is you fill a big bowl with hot / boiling water. Then you add your hair dye to the water. Yeah, let it marinate. And then you just take your extensions and you just dip it in there and it dyes the hair. It is amazing. It's the best way to dye anything ever. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's my coffee black in my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. So obviously the more hair dye you add, the more pigmented the color is going to be. But I guess that's common sense, right? Let me just start with like the smallest one first, just to see what the color is going to look like. Also, in my experience, I don't know why, but the ends always take more color than the top. So I'll dip them in from like top first. So let's do that. Swirl them around. Let it marinate for a bit, and then, oh god, where's the top? Ouchie, ouchie. Ah. Look, we got a beautiful hair extension. Just put this one over here. I'm just gonna let that cool off. Also, obviously, every time you dip it in there, like the hair is gonna take some of the hair dye, so eventually it will get like less pigmented, so you have to like refill it with hair dye. It's so quick. It's just like a couple seconds in there and it's dyed. Ooh. That was literally all it took to dye this insane amount of extensions. I think I've been doing this for 6 minutes max. Look, this is all the hair. So now I'm just gonna give it like a quick rinse under cold water, just to get like the excess hair dye out of it. And then I'm gonna hang them to dry, and then we can install them. And hopefully they actually match my hair. We'll see. Rip an extension out. Oh, my ring got stuck behind my hair. Hello everybody. Look at my new hair. Oh god. Don't look at that though. Yeah, I literally ripped it out. Oopsie daisy. Look at my new hair. Also, I found new sunglasses. The ones I showed before were from ASOS. And they were like, I mean, they're 20 euros, which I find to be very expensive. And then I went to the thrift store and I found these perfect, beautiful, amazing glasses for literally 50 cents. 50 cents. So the ASOS glasses shall be returned. And I shall wear these from now on. Oh my god. I love this. I love this so much. Anyways, my hair. I love this so much more. I am now used to the color. I wasn't like 100% sure about like the top color before, but now I love it. It is very patchy though. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about it. It's just because the bleach like overlapped on my hair a couple of times, so it just... My hair, it's, you know, there's nothing I can do about it. But honestly, I'm not even mad about it. It kind of looks like it kind of looks like there's like a sheen on there, you know? It's like exact stripes. We kinda, I don't know, kinda makes it look like that's how it's supposed to be. Also look at my extensions. Wait, let me take this off so you can see it in all its glory. It's crazy, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. No, I did not do the best job at blending them. I feel like I actually need more extensions to fill up my entire head. Also, the color isn't a perfect match, and also the health of the hair isn't a perfect match because my hair is actually way more dead than the extension, so you can kind of see it. I don't know. It is kind of obvious, but also, who cares? I don't really care. I don't really care that much. I think it's pretty fire. I love it. I'm so happy. I hope you guys like it too. And if you don't, then I'm sorry, but I'm probably gonna keep this for a little bit, at least a month. I'm gonna try to keep it for a month. Also, I still can't believe that I bought these for 50 cents. 50 cents! My god, do I love the thrift store. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this was today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss bye bye ciao ciao. Kiss kiss bye bye ciao.